Which is best for stairs, marble or granite? Dear friends, when you are purchasing a house, you are looking for best materials. Something that looks durable, elegant and adds beauty to your home decor. Let me share with you which is best for stairs, marble or granite. Marbles are expensive and you have to maintain them. After a while, dust sits on the marble and the glow fades away. Also, a marble needs proper polishing after 10 to 12 years. But granite, on the other hand, is not so expensive and it doesn't need any maintenance. A weekly cleaning is enough. Let me share with you some other tips on granite so that you can clear your doubt about is granite good for stairs. Colors. You can find so many different types of granite colors. Marble can only offer boring off-white shades. I feel when you are painting your walls, you should also think about the flooring as well. A good granite color can create a good contrast with the wall color, which in turn can beautify the room as well as the staircase. Less slippery. I feel safety is the utmost priority, and with kids around the house, the safest option would be to choose granites in the staircase rather than marbles. In case the staircase is watery, you will easily slip and fall if it is made up of marble. But this doesn't happen much in granite staircases. So, I feel granite is better. Scratches. You can easily notice even a small scratch on the marble staircase. This doesn't happen with granite stairs. As said earlier, granite does not require much polishing after its first installation. It is a good option to invest in granite rather than marble. If you are thinking marble can make the room cooler during the summer, then you are correct. But the opposite happens in winter and you will get cracks on your feet if you are barefoot on marble floor during the winter. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.